Researching side hustles can actually stop you from starting. You watch one video, then another. Now you're 47 tabs deep at midnight comparing drop shipping versus print on demand versus Amazon FBA, and you haven't made a single dollar. If that's you, close all your other tabs, and this is the only video that you need. I'm going to show you the easiest AI side hustle, the one that's made me over 37,000 sales. And here's exactly what I'm going to cover. First, the 2 ways to actually make money and why most people overcomplicate this. Second, how one product can pay you in 4 or 5 different places without any extra work. And third, the part everyone skips, and this is the reason why most people never make a sale. So let's go. Every side hustle comes down to 2 things. You either sell something or you recommend something and you get a cut when people buy. That's it. And I'm talking about digital products and affiliate marketing. Everything else, drop shipping, crypto, day trading, it's just noise unless you already know what you're doing. But these 2, you can start today with 0 followers and $0. So let me break them both down. A digital product is a file that someone pays to download. Planners, journals, workbooks, coloring books, ebooks, templates, guides, checklists. And if you make it once, you can sell it forever, and there's no inventory, no shipping, and that technically makes it passive income. And it's great because no one's emailing asking where their package is. And that's what made me 37,000 sales. And I have to say, AI makes it stupidly fast now. You can quickly brainstorm niches, write content, create layouts, design covers. Stuff that used to take weeks takes only a few hours. But here's the best part that people don't realize. One product, multiple platforms. One digital product can make money in 4 or 5 different places. You're not creating more work, you're just putting the same work where more buyers are. So let me walk you through exactly how this works. One of the ways is Amazon KDP, and that's where I started. After you create your digital product, you upload a book file, Amazon prints it, ships it, and handles returns, handles customer service, and then you get royalties. No upfront costs, no inventory, no minimum orders. I'm not talking about writing novels. I'm talking about low to medium content books. They can be journals, planners, activity books, coloring books. AI can help you find niches, write descriptions, create interiors, and outline content. The one thing that really matters is you have to be specific, which means you have to choose a niche. Instead of fitness journal, which is way too broad, think 90-day workout tracker for women over 40. That's specific, so that will sell. One of my first books was a cat book coloring book. It flopped. I learned a lesson and I kept going. For a step-by-step full tutorial on KDP, you can check out this video. You can also use Etsy, Gumroad, StanStore. That planner that you made for KDP, you can save it as a printable PDF, list it on Etsy, Gumroad, StanStore. It's the same file, but you can sell it to different types of buyers. Etsy is known for its built-in search traffic. People trust the site and they search it, and that's exactly what it's made for. Gumroad is free to start, and StanStore works if you're building a personal brand. Now you have one product selling in 2 places. And AI helps you write listings, mock-ups, previews, descriptions, and they all will convert if you put in SEO and keywords. If your product has any kind of design, a cover, a quote, an illustration, a pattern, you can also put it on merch. Some sites are Merch by Amazon, Redbubble, Printful. Upload the design, print it on shirts, mugs, tote bags, phone cases, stickers, and you get paid when it sells. That journal cover you already made, it could be a t-shirt by midnight. Same design, just more income. So now you've got one product on Amazon as a book, on Etsy as a printable, and on merch as a t-shirt. That's 3 income streams for 1 afternoon of work. And I'll link all the tools that I mentioned in the description down below. Now let's talk about the second path, affiliate marketing. And this is for you if you don't want to create anything. You recommend a product or a service, someone buys through your link, and then you get a percentage. It's called a commission. No product to make, no customer service, 0 inventory. Amazon Associates is by far the easiest. It doesn't have the best commission rates, but almost anything on Amazon has an affiliate link. Most software tools have their own affiliate programs too. I have a whole video talking about affiliate sites. I'll link it up here. Every tool I mentioned, AI software, design apps, publishing resources, I'll link in my description. AI helps you write reviews, comparison posts, and tutorials about tools you already use. The work is content, and AI can help make content faster. And you can do affiliate marketing alongside digital products. I do both. And here's where most people fail. They spend weeks making a product, they upload it somewhere, and then they sit wondering why no one's buying. The product isn't the problem. The problem is nobody knows it exists. You need an audience. And the mistake is thinking you build the audience after you launch, but that's backwards. You build the audience first or at the same time, but definitely not after. An audience fixes almost every problem. Traffic, sales, feedback, and motivation. YouTube and TikTok are my favorite because they're search-based. People aren't scrolling, they're looking for answers, and your video can bring sales for months or years, not just 24 hours. But pick anything: YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, a blog, Substack, Facebook, an email list. Start now, not when the product's ready. Start right now. There is a slight little warning about Etsy that I've noticed over the years. Etsy is great for extra traffic, but I wouldn't rely on it alone. Here's what happens. If you make something that sells well, copycats will show up within weeks and they'll sell knockoffs for half your price. Your sales will tank. And even if that doesn't happen, you don't own the customer. You don't own the email, the relationship. There's no way to sell them anything else. You're one anonymous shop in a sea of thousands. Use Etsy as one platform of many, not your whole business. Your own audience, that's what you control. So this week, pick one thing you're interested in. Don't overthink it. Literally anything works. Use AI to create your first simple product. You can do a checklist, a planner, a short guide, an ebook, something you can finish in a few hours. Post it on one platform. You can use Gumroad if you want something fast, or KDP if you want something long-term. And then start posting content. One video, one pin, one post, something. You don't need it to be perfect. You just need it to exist. If it were me, I would use ChatGPT or Claude AI to write an ebook or a guide, something to do with my career or a hobby that I enjoy, like burgers, pets. It could be your truck, or something that you're decent at, like organizing closets, or if you're good traveling with kids. Then I would add all my affiliate links from Amazon, PartnerStack, Impact, TikTok, right into that guide. Then I would go over to Canva and I would make that guide pretty by using a Canva template. Then I would create a few mock-ups, photos and videos. You can use Canva, Nano Banana, or Place It. Then I would blast it on all social media in all formats: slideshows, stories, reels. I would use viral audios. I would post it on Pinterest and blogs, on Reddit forums. I would post it on Facebook groups. The more times that you post that guide or ebook, the more potential you have that those affiliate links will get clicked and you will earn commissions. It's a double whammy if you're able to add enough value to that ebook or the guide that you're able to then sell that as a digital product with the affiliate links inside. Everybody has something that they're really good at or that they enjoy doing. This is your opportunity to make it into a digital product using affiliate links. A lot of online businesses, a lot of in-person businesses, and a lot of celebrities are either selling something or they're recommending something. And most beginners fail because they think there's a third secret, but there's not. The easiest AI side hustle isn't about finding the perfect thing. It's about picking one thing, using AI to build it faster, and showing up long enough to get results. Digital products, affiliate links, and an audience you're building while you build. That's the whole game. And if you want to see exactly how I use AI to create KDP books from scratch, I made a full tutorial and I'll link it right up here. So what are you going to start with? Drop easy in the comments to let me know that you're starting. That's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.